Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off open links and tabs instead of new windows in Firefox. So how to turn off open links and tabs instead of new windows in Firefox. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Tabs menu. Now next. Tap Open Links and Tabs instead of New Windows. This feature allows users to disable opening links in new tabs and redirect them to a new window in Firefox, according to their display preferences. So that's it, the tutorial how to turn off open links and tabs instead of new windows in Firefox. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.